Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the lagging or slow interface on Black Shark Pad 7. So first of all, try restarting your tablet to clear the temporary memory. You can do this by either pressing the power button by itself or power button with volume up key at the same time. Then you're gonna have to select restart on the window that's popping up and wait until your device is restarted. Unlock your device and check its productivity, and if it's still running slow, don't worry, we still have plenty of things to do about it. Let's swipe down the control center and open settings. Now let's check the updates. Go to System Updates, and let your device check for available updates. If you find something, download and install the update, and if not, then let's go to DeroSpeed and make sure to enable this feature. It will speed up your device's interface. After that, let's go back to System and let's find storage in here. Okay, we don't have storage in here, I'm sorry. We're gonna have to find storage on the sidebar of the settings, and here we can enable the storage manager to automatically clean up the data that we don't need. Now the main thing here is to get at least 10% of storage available in order to keep the device running properly. As you can see, I have much more than that. That's why my device isn't lagging currently. But basically what we can do is, for example, go to applications and find some apps that we have on our device and don't need, especially the ones that use up a lot of space. For example, I have the Photos application that uses 700 megabytes, and I don't really need that. Now we can either clear the cache of this application, or we can also clear the storage of it, or we can simply find some heavy applications in here. By default they should be sorted automatically, but for some reason I don't see the one that I'm looking for. Maybe I have uninstalled it. No. So here I have one heavy game. Let's hold the finger down on it and go to the apps info, and let's simply uninstall this application. And this way we have freed up over 1 gigabyte of storage. So basically make sure that you have enough storage on your device. Now the last thing that you should do in order to improve the interface smoothness is go to About Tablet, scroll down to More, open the More section, then scroll down to the very bottom of this list and tap build number 7 times until you see you are now a developer message. After that, you're gonna have to go to Systems on the sidebar, then open Developer Options, and here in the Developer Options we're gonna have to scroll down until we find the Animation Scales. Okay, so here we have them: Window Animation Scale, Transition, and Animator Duration Scale. Select each of these options and either select 0.5x or Animation Off, and this way you will make your device's interface much smoother, much faster. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.